The colours that were actually carried on the flag or carried on our ships beforehand were colours from this giant prehistoric eagle called Hokioi. And the colours from this is a red, a dark blue, black, a gold and a white. And these were the colours that were dyed muka that was attached to the ship mast, and this is where the British Admiral didn't recognise what those dyed bits of flax were, and that's why our ship was confiscated. This prehistoric eagle is the largest eagle in the world, and it only lived here in Aotearoa. And this is history that I certainly wasn't taught at school, and I know that it wasn't within our New Zealand education curriculum to teach us about the actual history of our tupuna. I actually knew more about English and European history than I did about our own Māori history. So this picture here was actually constructed by the National Geographic magazine, and the reason that they could get exactly where the colours were is because all that knowledge was preserved in our ancient waiata. The National Geographic was able to prove that they pulled up bones with the archeologists, and the wingspan across that they measured was something like 22 feet wingspan across. It was so large that it used to prey on more. When we shared this kōrero and took it down to Waipounamu and shared the same kōrero with Waitaha, they were able to take us to the ancient sacred spots where they showed us this big craggy rock where this Hokioi used to live, and the measurements that they had on the bones that remained within their hapu iwi was that it was 33-foot wingspan across. So this is information that is so important, not so much about the fact that it was way back in prehistoric times, but it actually carried through, because these colours are still used today.